Hi, Tono. Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, wait, May. How about this? I will try my headset, huh? If my headset works.
Okay.
Maybe there's something wrong. Ako di ko daw. How about this? Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Oh, that one. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Wait, why, man? But I cannot hear you. That one, Tono. Oh, Tono.
Yes, I
Hello?
can hear.
Yeah, you can hear me, but maybe my headset is not working properly. Tono. Wait, ah. That one?
Yes, I can hear you.
You report and then to 1 hour views. Okay, that one.
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, very good, very good. Okay, so this one. Good evening, Tono. How are you today?
Yes, I'm fine.
Okay, that's great. Okay. Okay, so what's the weather in Vietnam? Today it's sunny.
No, sunny today is rainy.
Raining.
Yes.
So do you have this kind of food in Vietnam?
Mm, what's that?
It's like picky. Okay. Ah, like this. Like this.
Is cookie or
No,
a
it's not
cake?
okay. It's like sticky.
I don't know. I don't know this kind of food in Vietnam, but I think
It's cookie. It's ubi cookie. Sticky. Sticky rice.
it's not in Vietnam.
I don't know. How did you call it in Vietnam? It's just sticky. Sticky rice. But it's sweet. It's obi. Do you know obi? It's color violet.
Violet.
Mm.
Or I don't.
Like that.
I think it's not in Vietnam.
There's no like this in Vietnam. Okay, okay.
Yes.
So I will share to you the screen. Wait, Okay, let
Okay.
us have to do review. This review is from Old Development, developing day 31 already. So we had a review about this. Okay, I will share to you.
Okay.
Sorry because the internet is loading. Oh no, okay, this one. Eh, wait, Okay, so this is a review. You might be wondering, teacher, we're done with this, but this is the review. Okay, day 31 review from all that we've been tackled from 20s. This is a sum up or a summary with all the things that we
Later,
create.
I can see the screen.
You cannot see. Wait, me ha.
Yes.
Okay, this one. Okay. So as what
Okay.
teacher Ann told you, these are reviews. So you might be wondering, there are things that already finished. Okay. So let us have
Okay.
this. We have personality. We like cheerful, outgoing, romantic. This we are talking personality. Okay. So it means personality. It means Who are you? It describes about you. Okay. Childish, popular, sociable, competitive, reckless, polite, considerate, and reliable. So these are, okay, what things that you understand the most? Or, I mean, you did not understand.
I understand the most is considerate and cheerful.
Okay. So do you know the word, or what word that you did not understand in here? I tell you.
Mm, I understand.
You did
Oh,
not understand, the one that you did not understand.
mm, I don't. I
And,
understand. Oh,
oh, very good. Okay, you understand. Or reckless. Do you know the word reckless?
refers
Reckless, this one.
reckless.
Mm-hmm.
The be careful, not considerate.
Okay, reckless, it means you have to be careful. Okay. Okay, this one. This we are still talking about personality, like ambitious. Okay. Individualistic, emotional, careless, shy, chatty, moody, and tolerant. Do you know what word you did not understand?
I understand. Because it's spelling in Vietnamese.
Okay, there is a Vietnamese word. Okay, and the ambitious, like you become ambitious, you always reach your dream in life. Okay, chatty, you keep on chatting someone, moody and tolerant. Another we have hardworking, independent, selfish, creative, impatient, sensible, decisive, kind, sensitive, and vain. Okay, also these are personality. There are people, Tono, who are selfish. Do you know selfish, right?
Yes,
Okay.
I know.
There are people who are impatient. This is negative. There are people who are vain and insensitive. Okay, so these are negative, selfish, impatient, okay, vain, and sensitive, okay, decisive. They are not, I mean, partly negative. Okay, so when you see hardworking, independent, creative, sensible, kind, and
Hey,
sensitive, they are positive. Okay. Okay. So how do you give opinion? So when you give
hey.
opinion, yes, Tono, why? Okay, are you with me? You listen?
Yes, I can listen.
Okay. So when you give opinion, like when you tell me your opinion, what is your opinion? In my opinion, the way I see it, if you want my honest opinion, according to, as far as I'm concerned, if you ask me, so these are the different opinion. These are the things, are the different opinion.
Okay.
Okay, so here, ask for opinion. So what is your idea? So you're asking opinion. Opinion, Tono, it means what is your idea? Okay, example, I will ask you. Tono, what is your opinion about bullying? Okay, so it means teacher is asking what can you say about bullying? Okay, so when I say, do you agree bullying, Tono? Oh, what do you think about bullying? Do you have anything to say about this topic, about bullying? How do you feel about that? How do you feel about bullying? We'll say, teacher, I don't agree bullying. Okay, so that is your opinion. What do you think? What can you say? Okay, next one,
Hey,
agreement. When you see agreement, you say yes. Okay, yes, huh? When you say agree, it means yes, teacher, I agree. Okay, that's exactly how I feel. Okay, like when teacher answered, okay, Tono, do you agree that bullying is good? Of course, he will say, no, I don't or I disagree. I know I don't agree with that one. Okay, so Tono, do you agree that we really need to Okay, bully someone? Oh, of course, I don't agree or I disagree. That's agreement, huh? Okay.
Okay.
Disagreement, this is negative. Okay. It's opposite with agreement. Okay, you will say, I'm afraid I disagree, teacher. I'd say the exact opposite. It's disagree. Not necessarily. That's not always true, teacher Anne. I beg to differ. It means I beg to disagree. I don't think so. Okay. No, I'm not so sure about that. Okay. I'm afraid I disagree. I'm afraid I disagree. Okay. That is disagreement. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So we have here the present simple tense. You know this already. That's very simple, right? I,
Yeah.
we, you, and they are plural. He, she, and it, they are singular. Always remember, huh?
Okay.
Okay. So when you use do, it will always be used in plural tense. But when you use does, it will always use in singular tense. Okay?
Okay.
Now, past simple tense. Past simple tense. Okay, the past simple tense, we have was and where. Okay, was, don't know if one, singular. Where, if it's plural, many. Okay, here, they were friends. Okay, we use where because the subject is they, it's plural. Katugo na. Friends, plural because subject is where. Okay, if
Okay.
it's negative, it's not. Were not, was not. Okay, so I know you know this. And in the verbs, this is to be, ha? To be, remember, is not action word. It's not action verb, no. To be, it was, where, past tense, is, or present tense. To be. Be verbs. We call it tono be verbs. But when you see verbs, it's action word. She worked yesterday, past tense. Worked yesterday. She didn't work yesterday. She didn't work yesterday. Did blank, she. In the base form, did she worked yesterday? Did she worked yesterday? Okay, so of course, look at this tono. If you use the word did, look at that, did, ha? Do not make the verb, the action verb, past tense. There is no ed. Can you see this? Oh no, look at. Can you see this?
Yes.
This one.
Yes.
Can you see this? There is no ed
Yes.
because you use did. Okay, you understand? You understand, Tono?
Yes.
Okay, here.
Yes.
She didn't work yesterday. As you can see, the word, as you can see in here, the word work is not with ed. Okay, can you see that one?
Yes.
Okay, example. This is near future tense or the present perfect, present continuous tense. I feel exhausted. I am going to be ill. So it means I'm so exhausted. I am going to be ill. I am going to be ill. It's near future tense. It's not yet happening and it will going to happen in the future. Okay. Okay. So here we have the present continuous. These are example of present continuous. So wait me. Okay. So here you can say present continuous. Okay. Describe something which is happening at the exact moment of speech. Example. I am talking now. I am doing something. Example, ha? Jim is watching television at the moment. Okay. The moment I am talking, okay, somebody is, okay. The moment, ibutang sa ref dito. The moment I am talking, you have this, somebody is happening. Jim is watching. TV at the moment. So now I am telling Tono, Jim is watching TV at the moment. So it means while teacher is speaking, Jim is watching TV. You understand?
Yes.
Okay, next. Can you please read the green one? Describe
Teacher and describe an action that is a taking place now but not at the exact moment of suspense.
speech. Okay, speech. Okay, describe action that is taking place now, but not at the moment of speech. It's now. Maybe later or maybe later, but not now. Jim is working in London. Okay, so Jim is working in London Farm. Okay, three. Tinabaho,
Teacher
dalawa.
an event planned. Teacher an event planned in the future.
Describe an event planned in the future. Ay, daghan na. Okay, event planned in the future. I'm taking my French class on Tuesday. So, you planned it on Tuesday. Not now, ha? It means Tuesday. It's not happening yet. Oh, no, not happening yet. I'm taking my French class on Tuesday. Hey, remember, we are talking present continuous tense.
Okay.
Okay, next one. Okay, to describe a temporary situation. To describe a temporary situation. To describe a temporary situation, I'm staying with a friend for a few days. I'm staying with friend for few days. Okay.
Okay.
Next, temporary situation. What do you mean by temporary? It means not always. Example, when I say, I will go Vietnam next year and I will live there for 1 month. So it means temporary. So teacher is not a Vietnamese. I cannot leave Vietnam for the whole life. So I am only visiting Vietnam. It's temporary situation, not permanent. But when I say Tono lives in Vietnam. So it's true, it's permanent because Tono lives in Vietnam. Okay, because Tono is a Vietnamese teacher and is not a Vietnamese. I am Filipino. I cannot live in Vietnam. Okay. Number four, one to five. Please read number five.
5. To emphasize the frequency of an action.
To emphasize the frequency of an action. So from the word frequency, you have to use the adverb of frequency, like that child is always crying for no good reason. So you have here frequency, how frequent, how,
Minus
yeah, how frequent, okay, how frequent the child does always. Okay, to emphasize the frequency of an action. The
is
child is always crying for no good reason. Next,
to describe changing institutions.
okay, it to describe changing situations. Her health is improving by leap dance. Okay, changing situation. It means the situation is not always. Okay, it's changed. Her health is improving. Okay, your brother, your weight or your height is improving. Okay, you become taller. Your weight is improving. You become fat. Okay, that is changing situation. Always remember when we say present continuous, we have working, taking, staying. I will emphasize ha.
Okay.
Okay, so that one. So these are the different verb. You can see, Tono, there's ing. Okay, working, taking, staying, trying, and improving. So these are the different words, different verb. Okay, working, taking, staying, crying, improving. They are present continuous tense. Okay. So now let's move to the next. Okay, so I will ask question now. Okay. How your personality change when you grow up? How your personality change when you grow up?
I think I uh, has more chatting in a little and
What changes did you observe, Tono, when you grow up? As you grow up, what
I
changes did you observe? You observe that what?
I have more cheerful
Oh, you
and
become careful.
yes,
Wow. What else?
and I more emotions.
More emotional.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Next one. Huh? How computers affect our everyday life? As you can see the pictures, we have computer.
I think is effect or health and or eyes
Okay. How computers affect our everyday life?
and and or and or life I think when we healthy and make me some lazy and want to use computer to fast.
Okay, so as you can see in the pictures, okay, as you can see in the pictures, that people or students are using computers nowadays. Mostly everything we can see and we can use computers, okay, in all aspect because that makes our things and our work easier, right? Okay, this one.
Yes.
What are your thoughts learning online? What are your thoughts about learning online?
I think learning online has good is we can study everywhere we time when and we can spend time we can spend time. But I think is when we learning online it has some problem with uh our computer laptop. No.
Okay, so what are your thoughts of learning online? Of course, we can have this. Okay, online. What are your thoughts of learning online? We can.
Study everywhere.
Okay, we can stay and we can contact person or foreigner everywhere. It's very easy for us to do that. Okay.
Yes.
Now, what is your opinion of greenhouse effect? What is your opinion of greenhouse effect? Look at this one. It's city. As you can see, there are smoke, many buildings, and it's polluted. Okay, what can you say about that?
I think it's very big and very beautiful and uh s- uh more than that.
Okay, as you can see, it's in the city, right? Okay,
Yes.
so if you're living in the city, of course, we can have a lot of living in the city, of course, we can have we can experience the different okay, pollution. Okay, like water, like our pollution, air pollution, water pollution. So we can experience different pollution. Okay, do you like to listen to country music?
Yes, I like to listen to country music, and
What is
but
your
I like
favorite
both.
singer? Okay, who is your favorite singer?
My favorite singer. I don't. I hear any many singer. So I think uh sing a Vietnamese singer Chaplin is
Oh,
Vietnamese singer.
okay. So how about Blackpink? Are you
Love.
familiar with them? You like them?
I don't like them very much.
I don't like them very much. Who is your favorite?
Favorite in I think favorite is of the sunflower by Kiso and
Jisoo?
Lalisa. Yes,
Jisoo? Oh, you know Jisoo?
yes, I know. But I hear my friends tell me Kiso is late
Dili, di. Tagaro.
team.
Pinidor ba? Okay. Okay. Where do you want to see yourself in 10 years? Where do you want to see yourself in 10 years?
I feel
In 10
see
years from now, where do you think you can see yourself or no?
I can see. I want to see I in my house with my family.
Okay, so probably you will be with your family. And maybe you become a nurse, a doctor, or a teacher. What do you think? Who do you think will be Tono become someday, 10 years from now?
Uh, I think. Can you give me example?
Mm-hmm. Like in 10 years from now, I can see myself, I am a teacher, like that.
I can see myself become a teacher or a artist or some else. I don't know.
Okay. You can see yourself, you will become a teacher.
Yes.
Hey, wait me, huh? I will have here another activity. You finished too early. Okay, Tono. Okay, who are with you, Tono? Your cousin or your sisters?
My sister.
Are your sisters with you? What is she doing?
See, I'll find my phone to play.
She wants to play? Do you have cousins near your house?
Classmate in
No, no, no. Cousins near your house.
no.
Oh, you don't have?
Yes, my cousin and
It's living far?
very far.
I live
Yeah,
in very
it's
far.
near the Yeah, it's near the beach.
Near the beach?
Yes.
Okay, it's that the sister of your mom? I know, it's your aunt living near the beach.
Yes, my aunt near the beach.
Wow. Have you been there in their house?
Mm,
Mm.
uh, I, I sometimes I go to my house and walk around the beach with my cousin
Mm-mm-mm.
and my friends. My friend is in the I think is center of my city, and I think I rarely go to my friend house.
Okay, so I guess so. So you're leaving. That's good that you're leaving.
Yes.
Wait, okay. So I will try this. I guess we are done talking about money, but I will show you to make sure if we are done with this one. 7F. Writing. I guess we are not done with writing activity. I will show it to you, Tono.
Okay.
I have it already. Okay, can you see this? Okay, that one. Can you see it?
Okay, I can see it.
Can see it now?
Yes.
Okay, as you can see, Unit 7 talks about money. Okay? Okay, this one. Okay, so I know we cannot guess this one. Okay, this Vox Clever, it's a kind of company. Okay, so we have here contract, CEO, income, salary investors. Okay, if you were going to read this one, investor is a person, organization that invests money in something, in a business, like that. Okay. Salary, money that employees receive, like your mom, your dad, they have salary. Okay. Income, the money that a person, a region, a country earns from work. Okay. So if you're working, you can earn money. Of course. CEO is the person with the highest rank in a business company. Contract, it's official written agreement. When you will be working, you will gonna have to sign a contract. Okay, next
Okay.
one, we have entrepreneur. It's a person who makes money by starting or running businesses, especially when this involves taking financial risk. The profit, it's the money that you make in business or by selling things, especially after paying the cost involved. Enormous, it means extremely large, very large. Extravagant means spending a lot more money or using a lot more of something that you can afford or than is necessary. Storage, what do you mean by storage? It means the process of keeping something in a particular place until it is needed. Okay? Again, the process of keeping something in a particular place until it is needed. Okay. The space where things can be kept. Okay. Next one, we have match the highlighted words in the text. Okay. So we have here, please try to write, Tono, the words here and put it here. Okay.
Okay.
Ah, asa man?
Okay, teacher.
Okay. Okay, money received by business or person, income or salary. Two, salary. Three, CEO. Funding purpose is funding. Okay, that's very good to know. Okay, income or salary, the salary, entrepreneur, money that business a person needs for a particular purpose is the funding. You need to have fund, a fund, money fund. Okay, so Tono, we don't have enough time. Teacher Anne has another class in 5 minutes. Okay, thank you so much, Tono, for today. And teacher Anne will see you on Friday. Sorry, Tono, we did not have class in Friday. Did you forget?
Yes, I don't have my singer because I back to my hometown. In my
Mm.
hometown, not have internet.
Okay. So if you are free, you can have class with me this week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. If you have extra class, we tell teacher, okay?
Okay,
Okay, thank you, Tono. Bye-bye.
the
Good night.
teacher.
Okay, good
Yes.
night.